What's shaking, bacons?
Okay.
Wow!
That's all I have for you. Make sure you like this video and follow for more tips, tricks, and finds. Peace out, Girl Scout.
Okay, guys, in all seriousness, this is the best fidget toy I've ever spent my money on. I have not been able to put it down all day, and I have a bucket full of fidget toys. This is number one, worth every penny. Thank you, oh no.
Oh, and of course, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you follow for more tips, tricks, and finds. And peace out, Girl Scout. Bye!